I knew where I was going to start, I knew where I was going to end. I knew there were going to be these certain moments in the film. I didn't know how I was going to get there, so I just wrote. Sometimes you'll write something great, and sometimes one thing will lead to something else that you didn't even know it was happening, and they're these beautiful little surprises. I always say my wife, who has very little interest in this business, I've probably sat through an entire film with her 3 times without her falling asleep, and I think that's probably one of the reasons I'm so in love with her, is it's a complete separation from what I do on a daily basis. I did, when I came up with the idea for the film, I went in and pitched her the idea, and she started crying, and I think that was a wonderful vote of confidence, because if I could get a tear out of her, hopefully I could get a tear out of a few more people.